Is this hair clip. It was £2, and I think the original price was £5, so less than half price. And I've actually got a dress to go with this, so when I wear the dress I'll be wearing this. And then I got all this jewellery. All of this is either silver, so here I've got 2 anklets which are silver, and then I've got some earrings and some nose studs and a nose ring, and they're all silver, very cheap, like £3, £5 stuff. And I think these were £5.10, but they're silver, guys, so I can always keep these on and there won't be any issue. These ones here are gold plated, and I actually had really nice gold ones which I lost, so I'll be wearing these for now. And they were only £5 each, so I can always keep these on, and if I do end up losing them again, I'm really going to be crying about these. But these were actually £15, and I got them for £5 each. And then the last thing I got from Accessorize were these slippers, and these were £8.10, and they were actually £27.50 before. And they're really comfortable. I love that they've got this like cushion thing, so I'll definitely be wearing these in the summer next year. Okay, so I got this blouse from M&S. I don't actually usually shop in M&S, but they had a sale on, and I really like this hot pink satin blouse. It was £30 and I got it for £14.50. It was £29.50 before, so a bargain. So the second thing I got from M&S was this black printed satin dress. This was £50 and I got it for £14. It was actually on clearance, and it had my size. They had my size, so I managed to get it. And I really like it. I think it's perfect for autumn, winter.